there has been an outbreak. A deadly pathogen overtaken the research base B200. In the event that it reaches us at base B300, we need to be prepared. The bacteria spreads through bodily fluids and is spread from the experiments. To prevent infection, all field agents must wear our new specialized gear, which is more bite and slash resistant to prevent an infection. If infected, there is no current treatment. Symptoms begin with a temperature and a reduced appetite, making you eat less and weakening your immune system. You will be overcome to spread the bacteria through violence, and you will experience extreme agitation and aggression. You will lash out and attack other organisms in the vicinity. As the infection continues, your muscles will degrade as well as your tendons. Cysts will form under the skin, and the skin itself will slow off, resulting in you being skinned. Death follows not soon after.